I hope all of you are fit and fine. We have already revised all the chapters and some more things that I want to mention in this video. The important portions that you need to focus on, like every chapter, everything mentioned in your book is important. Obviously you need to go through the chapters thoroughly, practice the worksheets provided in your book, or from some other sources also you can practice things, all the things, okay, that are included in your half-yearly syllabus. I have always told you, you can always practice things from other sources also. There are the important things, like the most important things are like from gender chapter you can see the collective nouns, those are considered to be of neuter gender. This is a kind of exception, not exceptional, this is a thing that we need to memorize, we need to remember, that we generally don't know, that we generally don't use always, right? This is a thing that we need to memorize, okay, separately. So these kind of things you will find in almost all the chapters, so those are important. Again, in continuous tense chapter, at the end, I guess, you please check in your book that you will find there are some verbs which are not used in continuous tense. We generally don't use ing with those verbs. So those verbs are important to remember, and as I have already told you, I hope you have watched those videos, that particular video where I told that I have removed the first study material where I provided the answers of verb chapter because quite a few things needed to be rectified, and then a 17 pages study material was uploaded from which you need to read the things, and after that one or two rectifications were there that were included in the next study material. So follow the study materials properly. After examination or after the things, don't rush and tell me, Miss, why don't you give me the number, why didn't you give me the number, because I read it from that study material. I have mentioned it I think several times that read the things from that 17 pages study material and follow all the study materials that I have provided and I have not deleted, okay. I have deleted two study materials actually, one by mistake and one was intentional. And today also there was a question that became is not an incomplete verb. I told you that I will clarify this doubt in this video so that everyone will come to know about it. Became is not an incomplete verb, whether it is transitive or intransitive, you will have to read the sentence and you will have to realize. And I have provided from the verb chapter exercise 1 question number 8, I have provided the rectified answer in today's study material. You will obviously find it, okay. And I have not decided yet, I have not uploaded yet, but probably I am going to provide a file upload option again today, because we have obviously after pre-half-yearly examination we were practicing that thing only, file upload. But after that we were practicing MCQ form, right? Now if there is any student who has forgotten the file upload thing, again I need to remind you about that thing. So for the last time I am uploading, I have decided till now that I will upload that kind of form, but this is not final, okay. You will check when it is uploaded and you will come to know whether it is in MCQ form or a file upload thing. And in case of unseen passages, read the unseen passage, reading comprehension properly, go through each and every line. If you are provided with a question like complete the following sentences with appropriate information, don't think that you will have to put a single word in the blank, okay. You will get information. If I write that fill in the blank with proper word, then it will be a word. But if I provide questions like fill in the blanks with proper information or appropriate information from the passage, it means you can fill in that blank with particular information that can contain more than one word. Okay, and that information is obviously provided in that particular passage. To find it out, you need to read the passage carefully. That's it. But don't think that within a single blank you can write more than one sentence. This should be a part of a sentence. You are going to complete another sentence that has been provided already. The part has been provided already. Okay, and synonyms, antonyms, read the chapter carefully. Prefix, the prefix, with prefix we can make antonyms. That portion you should read properly. Okay, and every chapter you just try to do all kind of things and which tense is used when. Okay, for example, which tense should we use to indicate universal truth? Obviously simple present tense. So these kind of things, which tense is used when, these kind of things you need to memorize, you need to read properly. Transformation of tenses, question in making something interrogative, negative, these things you need to memorize. Okay, if there is any other doubt, we will discuss them in the live class, and we will discuss a lot of question answers in the live class. It will make the things easier. And about incomplete verb, the only verbs mentioned in the portion where the incomplete verb has been described, that thing, those verbs only are incomplete verbs. Okay, for now, bye bye. We will talk in the live class.